This is outside of Delta, Utah, on my way to Nevada, and it's a real desolate area, but it's just in its own stark beauty. It's really fun to go through and check it out. You could make movies out here about Afghanistan or Iraq or any kind of Middle Eastern desert kind of stuff. I mean, it's just amazing, amazing landscape. This is just above Austin, Nevada, making my way home on Highway 50, and it's just a gorgeous morning. It rained yesterday and last night, and the sagebrush, the aroma is just intoxicating. It's just fantastic. Just an absolutely gorgeous, beautiful day. You can see a little bit of color up in the mountains. I mean, it's just a fabulous morning. This is a lesser known highway that parallels Highway 50, and I always take it because it goes through the mountains, and I always catch this band of wild horses every time I go through here. It's just really neat, and so I hope you enjoy this.